Good afternoon, everyone. Today, our topic is formal invitation. So, what are we going to study today is formal invitation. In your examination, invitation will be asked. Two type of invitation: formal and informal. In formal type of invitation, first we'll begin with a question and then after I'll tell you how to solve it. The question that we have is, as a secretary of the theatre club, of the theatre club of Wordsworth High School, Indore, draft a formal invitation in not more than 50 words. For the inauguration of the club in your school. So this is the question that you have to write, and then after I'll tell you how to solve it. So you have a minute to write it, and then after I'll solve it. Write the question. I hope you have written by now. So let me tell you the answer. How you are going to write the formal invitation. Before you begin, I would like to tell you the same thing that I have been regularly telling you about writing any such writing, small writing, like it may be notice, it may be advertisement, it may be formal or informal invitation, or it may be poster writing. What you have to follow? 5 W's. What are 5 W's? The 5 W's are who, means who is writing this invitation. the invitation is being written? What is the occasion of writing this invitation? Why are you writing this invitation? Where? You have to write the venue of this invitation, where this invitation is going to be asked, where you are going to invite someone, and then when, that is time. So you have to mention all these required things in your invitation. Who, that is who is the writer, whom you are writing to, what you are writing, what is the theme of your invitation, where you are going to invite someone, you have to mention it, when, what is the occasion, and when you are going to invite somebody on that occasion. And what is your occasion? Right now it is inauguration of Wordsworth Club. Wordsworth School Club. In your school it is going to be inaugurated. So, how to write? First of all, you have to make a box. You have to make a box like this. Whether it is notice, whether it is invitation, whether it is poster, whether it is advertisement, you have to make such a box. Once you make a box, then what you have to do? It is a formal invitation from an office. You are writing from an office. So how you are going to write it? The secretary. Then you will begin from middle of this box. Secretary of, in between, in the middle, Theatre Club of Wordsworth High School, Indore. Theatre Club of Wordsworth High School, and then comma Indore. It is given in your question itself. Request the pleasure of, from here, request the pleasure of request the pleasure of your company. Your company. Theatre Club of Wordsworth High School, Indore request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of. You have to write in the same way that I am writing. The inauguration ceremony. The inauguration. You will write in bold letters. The inauguration ceremony. The inauguration ceremony of the club. Inauguration ceremony of the club at 5 p.m. As I told you, you have to mention everything. Who you are? The secretary of the Theatre Club of Wordsworth High School, Indore. And then you are requesting to whom? To the people. Then what is the occasion? The inauguration ceremony. Where? At the club. When? At 5 p.m. That is time. On January 14, 2022. January 14, 2022. You can also highlight this portion just like this in bold letters. Then once again you can mention where exact place of that school. In the school auditorium. In the school auditorium. In the school auditorium. Sri, whom you are going to invite, that is Sri or Mr. Sri, SH. Any name you can write. Raman Ojha, Mr. Raman Ojha, or any such name, imaginary name. Secretary, you will also mention whom you are asking. Secretary. Gym, you can name any school. So I am writing Secretary Albion Public School. Public School, Gola Bazar. You can mention has kindly consented. Has kindly consented to be the guest. To be the guest or chief guest. Basically, if you are going to invite anybody and you want to beautify your inauguration, then you will name any great personality, any leader or any such person, any celebrity, that celebrity is coming and you will have to attend it. So, not for your inauguration, but for that celebrity, they'll attend. Has kindly consented. Kindly consented. I missed it. Has kindly consented to be our chief guest. After writing this, you have to write about yourself. Who you are. You are writing from the secretary. Like you write in your invitation, in marriage cards, what do you write? Vineet or Darshana Vilasi. In English, it is written as Respondes Sil was plate RSVP. It is written as Respondes Sil was plate. That simply means, it is a French word, that simply means please reply. So you are asking that person to reply for your invitation. whether he will attend the ceremony, the inauguration ceremony or not. And then you will mention who you are. Suppose you are the principal of this school, and on behalf of your principal you are the secretary. So please reply principal, Wordsworth High School, Indore. Wordsworth High School, Indore. In this way, you have to finish your invitation. First, you will write on behalf of whom you are writing. You are writing on behalf of the principal and you are the secretary. The secretary of Theatre Club of Wordsworth High School request the benign presence. There is another word, benign. Benign means prestigious. Request the benign presence or request the pleasure of your company on the occasion. We request your prestigious company on the occasion of, what is the occasion? The inauguration ceremony. You can write in the same way for any shop, for any occasion you may think of. You are opening a shop, inauguration. Any kind of shop. You are opening a coaching center, inauguration ceremony. You are opening a mall, inauguration ceremony. And in the same way you will mention the invitation. But in shop like things, you have to add one more thing. What is that? Inaugural discount. Because people like something that is discount. Once you mention inaugural discount 20%, 30%, people will surely come to your shop just for having discount. I hope you have written it by now. Raise your hand if you have written it. Then after I will give you another question. There are only 2 hands out of 7. 3.